Okay, so I came across this really cool quiz where you try and guess just by the contents of a fridge whether it's a Trump supporter or a Biden supporter. So let's have a look. Now I actually did the quiz earlier, and I thought, geez, as soon as I went over 100 times, I thought this I think you can just go forever. So from 101 guesses, I got 60 correct, so I got a score of 59%. So let's have a look at the actual quiz. I'll get that window up, and we'll have a look. Now we in my Safari. So this is the actual quiz. So let's have a look what we got here. So he's got here guessed 0 times and got 0 correct. So what I'm looking for, let's just zoom this in a bit. There we go. Center it a bit. I tend to look for. I'm finding a telltale sign of a Biden supporter is almond milk. So I'm looking for almond milk. So I can see almond milk here. So I'm going to guess Biden on this one. Let's see if we get it correct. Oh, 1 time out of 1. Here we go. Now what we're looking for here, pink juice. Pink juice. I can't imagine Trump supporters having pink juice. And also they got the veggies in the crisper. I've been noticing in some of these veggies in the crisper usually means a Biden supporter as well. Trump supporters don't tend to care where they put the veggies. So let's just go Biden that one. Oh, 2 out of 2. Actually, I'm getting a bit better at this. It's very random as well. So let's have a look. What do we got there? It's a bit messy. I'm thinking Trump on this one. Let's go Trump on that one. And it actually says before we reveal this trap on an object that suggests it's a Trump fridge. I think it's just a general messiness. It's a Trump fridge. Oh my god, I got 100% so far. Maybe I've trained myself to because these are all random. I haven't. These are not ones that have come up before. So because I thought it was maybe out of 50, and it just kept going, and it got to 100. And as soon as I got to 101, I thought I'll stop this and I'll do a video. So let's have a look. It's not real organised. He puts their milk down the bottom. Although there's looks like a fair bit of cooking. Looks like health conscious. I'm going 50-50 on this. Looks like it could be in California. See, the other thing is, it's probably going to be a disadvantage that I'm from Australia and these is like American fridges. I'm not sort of going to recognise a lot of the products as well. So what do you guys reckon? Looks very neat, doesn't it? Looks very neat. That sort of tells me Biden, but then they got the milk down the bottom of the fridge, and that sort of seems like a Trump thing because, like, Trump supporters are a little bit more carefree in that. Um, let's go Biden on that one. Nah, Trump. See, I should have gone for the milk. Let's put my Trump hat on. Hang on. Let's put my Trump hat on. See if I can get into the light of Trump, getting the Trump mindset here. Okay, let's have a look what we got here now. What's this one? What is that product? Let's zoom in on it. What is that product there? Imperial something. A2 milk. Somebody with allergies. That'd be Biden, I'd say. A2 milk. Who the hell buys A2 milk? Correct? Oh, no, it was a Trump one. Sorry. What do we got here? Some weird looking object in a box. Looks very disorganized. This looks like it's falling apart, the fridge, really. I reckon Trump on that one. Doesn't look like something you'd see in Silicon Valley, California, where they'd all vote Biden, eh? Let's go Trump. Click on the messy thing there. Oh, it's a Biden fridge. Oh my god. What's this one? Let's have a look. Jeez, this doesn't give you many clues, does it? Let's go Trump on that one. It's a Biden fridge. No. Let's see. Any clues here? Is there any almond milk? Is the milk's in the correct position? Got crisp veggies in the crisper. I can Biden on that one. Trump. No, I was doing so well. Actually, I've only got 3 out of 8 so far. Hot dog buns. Hot dogs. Trump. Come on. Hot dog bun. Let's click on hot dog buns. Yes, it's a Trump fridge. Veggies in the crisper. Eggs. Who'd put? Yeah, you got eggs there. I'm trying to pick up clues of because I sort of think that Biden supporters are a little bit sort of what do you call it, OCD and stuff. I think that Trump supporters are a bit more carefree, like myself. So not as organised and OCD. Oh, jeez, I'm telling you, you could analyse this for hours, couldn't you? So is that one of those little French cheese things? Little round cheese ones. Got bacon. So they got a cat there. Looks like a bit of cat food or dog food and strawberry. I'm gonna get Biden on this one. Let's go Biden. Let's go Biden. Click on Biden. That's a Trump fridge. Damn it. Keto. Who'd go keto? I reckon Biden. They're into diets now. California into diets. Please, 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 Biden. Yes. That's that. That's the I've got this. This is raised barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce, guys. I reckon it's like Texas food. What the hell is this sort of purple drink they've got there? Lots of cheddar cheese. Whew, I reckon Trump. Come on, Trump. I'm gonna click on the barbecue sauce. It's a Biden fridge. No. Dairy. What's this one? Dairy Pure. What is Dairy Pure, guys? Come on, soy milk. Oh, forget that. That's Biden. No Trump supporter would have soy milk. It's a Trump fridge. V8 juice. Biden. Trump. No. Oh my God, I'm doing so bad this time. I'm only 36%. I was 59 before. Got my confidence up too much. What are we looking at here? Half and half milk. Come on, please, something come out of me. There's Coca-Cola. Is that? It looks like full sugar Coke. So there's a bit of I'm thinking Trump on that one. Please be Trump. I'm gonna click on the half and half milk. It's a Biden fridge. No. How you guys going? Lots of soft drink. Trump. Come on, let's go Trump. Yes. Water in the fridge. That's a little bit OCD, isn't it? Having your water in the fridge there, all nice and neat. I reckon Biden. Everything looks too neat. Yes, Biden. What do we got here? What's giving you telltale signs? Lots of soft drinks. Lots of soft drinks. What brand of soft drink is it? Still, this looks a little bit too health conscious, doesn't it? You got nice grapes. You got the little round cheese things. Those French. Can't remember what the little round cow cheese things. Come on, guys, yell out. Which one do you reckon? Trump or Biden? Trump or Biden? I'm torn with this one. I reckon Biden. Only because of these blue cans. It's a Trump one. Oh no! Milk's almost gone. I haven't put any milk in. I reckon Trump. No, it's a Biden fridge. Go fill up your milk. Mayonnaise, home cooked stuff. Don't know what this stuff is on the side. Looks like Coke Zero. Nice and neat veggies. I reckon Biden on that one. Yes. All right. What is this stuff? Conti's. Margarine. A little bit health conscious. I reckon Biden that one. I'm just going to click on the margarine. Yes, Biden. Oh, now they haven't taken the is that onions? They haven't taken the onions out. There's nothing in the freezer. I reckon Trump. I reckon Trump. Trump. This dude lives on his own. Oh, it's a Biden fridge. Lift your game, man. It looks disgusting. Um, everything's. This is a freezer. Why the hell would you can't you don't freeze? Is this a fridge or a freezer? I was thinking you don't. Yeah, no, it's a fridge, but it's very messy. Let's go Trump on that one. Correct, Trumpy. Powerade. This Minute Maid. Let's have a look. A little bit health conscious. I can imagine this in California. It's very hot. They got heaps of Powerade. Or it could be Florida. Hey, if it's Florida, it's Trump. I could just imagine. I could just imagine this being a female that's into like lots of exercise. I'm gonna put Biden. Let's click on the Powerade. Correct, Biden. Yes. Oh, oh, oh dear. Oh dear. This is somebody who does not care about anything. Trump. Trump fridge. Almond milk. See this? See this almond milk? This is what I reckon's got my average up. Almond milk. No Trump supporter has almond milk. Oh no, it's a Trump fridge. Oh no. 46%. Oh well, we're getting up in the percentage now. Let's have a look here. Some sort of weird, vague, pinky coloured liquid up there. Oh dear. Eggs. What's in the sort of stuffed? Some sort of weird stuff in the where the veggies are meant to go. So I'm going to go Trump. Just click on the veggie call. Yes, Trump fridge. They don't care where they put things. The Trump supporters. Actually, this looks like an American flag on these eggs. It looks very American, very patriotic. Let's go Trump on that one. That's a Biden fridge. Oh my god. Not doing so well this time. Still 46%. So let's have a look. I reckon you go in here. So it's got coleslaw. It's got milk. So there's a bit of home brew there. Quality established 1925. Let's get Trump on that one. Yes, it's a Trump fridge. What's this? Icy lemonade. We got mustard. Macca's. Yeah, Trump. Yeah, let's click on the Macca's. It's just Trump fridge. Oh, Gatorade, Monster Energy. This looks like a frat boy. Oh dear. Oh, I got in there. We got Miracle Whip down the bottom in where the veggies are meant to go. Oh, I reckon Trump. Yes. Yes. What do we got here? What's this one? Let's zoom in a bit. What's that? What is that stuff? Oh, apple cider. Who drinks apple cider? Trump or Biden supporters? Looks like they've got the veggies in the crisper, so I reckon Biden. Yes. What have I put in the crisper down there? It's quite neat though. It's a little bit OCD. I reckon Biden. Just click anywhere. Yeah, Biden. That's pretty neat. They eat lots of eggs. Ricotta cheese, half and half milk. Very health conscious. It looks like. Got a bit of a stash of that. Looks like soy sauce in the background there. Got a jug, but it's got no water in it. I reckon Biden. Oh, it could be like a bodybuilder's type fridge as well, because it's not. There's lots of eggs. Let's go Biden. Nah, Trump. Yeah. I wasn't too sure on that one. Let's have a look. An onion in the middle of the fridge. Trump. What's this? What's this stuff? Butter something. Butter cookie. Butter cookie? What the hell's butter cookie? Not much milk left in, like, a little scrap of milk there. It's not very neat. Let's go Trump. Yeah, let's click on anything. Yep, Trump fridge. Ah, that looks very very OCD. And but they've got the onions. That looks like onions, is it? Yeah, let's get Biden. Nah, Trump. Oh no. Oh my God, I'm not doing too well at this now. Oh no, actually, I'm up 54%. 54%. Let's go up to 50 guesses and we'll stop this. Okay, guys, what do you reckon? They've got the same. They've got the same drink on two different shelves here. That silver drink. They've got avocado. Avocado should be back down. Fruit and veggie. I'm gonna stick. I'm gonna stick with my theory that if you got the veggies in the veggie crisper, that you're a Biden supporter. Yes. Eggs down there. Sinbers. What's this stuff? Mayonnaise. Some sort of weird concoction in a big jug. I don't know what this thing is down above the veggie crisper there next to the eggs. You got one egg out. Ah, that's pretty carefree, I reckon. Trump. I'm gonna click on the egg that's out. Ah, it's a Biden fridge. Empty fridge. That's a Californian supermodel doesn't eat Biden. Oh, it's a Trump fridge. Drinking water. Minute Maid. Almond milk. I'm going to stick with my almond milk theory that no respecting Trump supporter has almond milk. Correct. Biden fridge. Leftovers. We got. It looks fairly healthy. Although the fridge is dirty there. No. I reckon Biden. Because it's got fruit. But I'm 50-50 on that one. Nah, see Trump. What do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? What do you got? What's going to give me some clues? Let's zoom in a bit. Sour cream, mustard. I sort of try and have a holistic approach about this. Let's go with my theory that all Biden supporters put their veggies in the crisper. So we'll go Biden. Ah, it's a Trump fridge. No, I have to get out of that mindset. Get out of that mindset that all Biden supporters. Well, I'm 51%. Sour cream. I haven't got the veggies in the crisper. I always put my lettuce right down the bottom. Oh dear, this one's 50-50 too. Lots of milk, but they've got the milk down there. It's fairly disorganized. I reckon it's carefree Trump. No, it's a Biden fridge. No, I'm 50-50 now. So veggie. Looks very neat. Let's go Biden. Let's click anywhere. It's Trump fridge. No. I'm below 50 now. Oh, that looks messy, Trump. That's a Biden fridge. You disgust me. Sausage, Trump. Biden supporters don't eat sausage. That one looks like someone's health conscious Biden. California, Biden. Let's click on the water. Yes, Biden fridge. It's out of focus. Obviously drunk. Trump. That's a Biden fridge. Lots of beer. Trump. Yes. Look at here. Cottage cheese. Biden. Yeah, let's click on the cottage cheese. Trump. Oh no. Dr. Pepper. Who drinks Dr. Pepper? Trump or Biden supporters? Oh dear. Nothing's really coming out and telling me which side will be on. Let's go Biden because it's fairly neat. Nah, it's Trump fridge. No. Cream. This looks like lots of eggs too. Milk down the bottom. Whipping cream. Yogurt. I reckon Trump on that one. No, I was gonna go Biden. I said Trump. No, Trump. Let's just click on it anyway. Biden. No. Eggs, things in the crisper. I'm not going to be swayed by it this time. Let's see if we can figure something else out. Let's have a look. What do we got? What the hell is this thing on the right hand side? I can't really. Whipped cream. Whipped cream. Here's whipped cream. Trump or Biden? What sort of milk's that? I don't think it's almond milk. I don't know. Let's go Biden. Nah, Trump fridge. No, no, no. Trump. I'm gonna do something quickly now. Just out of instinct. I'm gonna go by instinct now. I'm gonna go Biden. Let's click on anything. Trump. All right. That one looks like. Let's go Biden. Nah, Trump. Oh, see, I'm not thinking now. What's this stuff? Let's see me on here. What we got here? Gherkins. What's that? Something juice. Full strength Coke. Nectar. Looks very health conscious. Biden. No, it's a Trump fridge. Oh, there we go. 44% now. I was doing well last time. What's going on? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? And this actually proves the point. I reckon that you can't really tell by the fridge whether you're a Trump or a Biden supporter. You got all this stuff down in the veggie crisper. Oh, they veggies are in the veggie crisper. That looks like blue milk. Blue milk for blue Biden. Maybe I'll do that. If it's got more blue, it's Biden. Let's go that. Let's do that theory. Nah, Trump. Nah. It's got red in it. Let's go Trump. That's a Biden. Had lots of blue too, didn't it? True Moo. Is that chocolate milk? Chocolate milk. Looks like somebody enjoys themselves. Got kids, I reckon. Those little kid type smoothie things. Let's go Trump. No, let's click on the smoothies. Yes. What are we up to now? 44%. Whew, don't know about this one. It's a nice fridge actually. Let's go Trump. No, it's a Biden fridge. What do we got here? Miso. Forget miso, that's Biden. Kefir stuff. That's Biden. Yeah, let's click on the kefir. Oh, it's a Trump fridge. All right. Coke just chucked in there. Trump. No, it's a Biden fridge. I reckon Trump on that one. Yep. Let's have a look at this one. Lots of mayonnaise, things just thrown in there. Looks like they've done some leftovers. Oh, it's got a fridge thermometer. Biden. I'm gonna click on the fridge thermometer. Yep, Biden. They're always worried about how much electricity it's using. Got to keep the fridge temperature correct. I reckon Biden on that one. Yep. Yeah, it's picking up now. I'm not overthinking. I reckon that looks like a Biden fridge. Yep. That one looks like a 71. Let's go up to 100. I don't know, 50-50 now. Let's go Trump. I reckon that Matt says Trump. No, Biden fridge. No. What do we got? Anything? Is there anything that tells me it's a Trump or Biden? I'm sort of thinking things that you'd buy in California would be Biden. I don't even know on this one. I'm going to click Biden, not Trump. All right. What do we got here? What do we got? We got lots of frozen stuff there. We got lots of eggs. 3 lots of eggs. Sprite, full strength Sprite, it looks like. I reckon Biden. Nah, Trump. No. What am I doing? 45%. No, I'm going downhill. Oh dear. What's this? Barley, hops and barley, light beer. Oh, I don't know. I don't know on this one. Nothing's really saying which way it goes. Let's go Biden. Let's click on anything. Yep, Biden fridge. All right. Next one. Does that say almond? Almond beverage. Actually, I've been wrong about this before, haven't I? I've always said almonds Biden. Yes, Biden fridge. Almond milk Biden. What's this one? What do we got? Is there any sort of telltale signs? I don't know. Oh, I don't even know what these products are. It's neat and OCD Biden. Yeah, Biden fridge. That sort of screams Trump for me for some reason. Let's just click on anything. Yes, Trump. OCD. We'll stick with that theory. OCD's Biden. No, it's a Trump fridge. No. No, no. What the hell is this thing on the top left hand corner? Oh, what the hell that thing is on a plate? Uh, uh, are they pancakes next to the milk? Let's go Trump. No, just click on the pancakes. No, it's Biden fridge. All right, Trump. Running Trump on that one. Yep. Minute Maid, fruit peach, peach. Biden. Yep. A2 milk. Is that cheese though? Hot dogs, cheese, Trump. Let's go on the hot dogs. Yep. Mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella. That's a little bit too posh. Biden. Oh, it's a Trump fridge. Lots of cheese there. Trump. Yep. What's that one? What's this? This looks really healthy. California Biden. Yep. Botelli. What's this stuff? Looks reasonably healthy. All this stuff. Oh, let's go fridge thermometer Biden. Gatorade Zero. So no sugar. Celery Biden. Yep. Big family. Looks like they enjoy themselves. Trump. Yep. Actually, my percentage will be going up now. 51. Okay. What's Zyko? You know, yell at the computer to see if I can hear. What's Zyko? That looks like coconut milk. Biden. Oh, it's a Trump fridge. No. Guinness. Who drinks Guinness? Trump or Biden? Oh, to be sure. Who drinking the Guinness? Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Biden. Cottage cheese. Lots of water. It looks like sort of a California fridge, doesn't it? I mean, Biden, that one. Yep. What do we got here? Egg whites. Gee, just egg whites. Chocolate milk. It's a bit of a mixture, this. Egg whites with chocolate milk. So it goes from one extreme to the other. Hershey's this. Then you can... Lots of eggs to Trump. Biden fridge. Okay. That looks messy, Trump. It's a Biden fridge. Lift your game, man. An empty fridge. I think it was Trump last time it was an empty fridge, wasn't it? This is going to Trump again. That's a Biden fridge. Fooled me. Dr. Pepper. I don't think that tells you anything. Grapes, cottage cheese, Biden. Yeah. I don't know. Let's go Trump. Let's go Trump, man. Biden. What are we up to? 98. Let's do two more and then we're going. And I'll let you guys try it yourself. Man, there's nothing. When a fridge is half empty, what do? Let's go Trump. Yep. Lucky last. We've done 99, 50 correct, 51%. If I get this wrong, it's going to be 50%. let's have a think about this one. What do we got there? Is that cottage cheese? I've been right with cottage cheese every time. Tostitos. So is that butter chicken? So you got some meat marinating. I reckon Texas. Marinating meat, Texas. Trump. Yes, it's a Trump fridge. All right, let's end it there. 51% so far. Times readers have made 14,847,193 guesses, correctly matching fridges to a family favoured candidate 52% of the time. So there we go. So let's have a look here. So top guess Trump fridges. Alright, some people guess that right. Krispy Kreme donuts, etc. And the top guess Biden fridges. So the top guess Trump fridge right there. You got the KFC. And the Biden fridge. They got the Pellegrino. Yeah, so we must have the Pellegrino. So yeah, so that sort of tells you Biden, doesn't it? The Pellegrino. Some poshy Californians. Most incorrectly guessed fridges. Well, that's the one, the ZK. The ZK. Yeah. That was actually a Trump one. And that one too. The Chobani yogurt. I would have guessed Biden for that, but that's actually a Trump one as well. The top clues. Are there particular items in those cold shelves reliable indicators about a family's politics? Pre-packaged muffins feel like Trump to me. He wrote an email. Also, why are they in the fridge? Also, is that a huge bottle of oil? This is so confusing. Fridge. It was a Biden fridge, that one. Yeah, well, I think that was the one where I sort of saw is that the celery one? This person keeps their peanut butter in the fridge and as such should be denied their right to vote. Throwing that they'll go Biden because Noosa is pricey. Nothing says Democrats like pricey yogurt. Oh dear. Yeah, that's the thing. See, I don't know the products. I don't know the products. A lot of these products I don't see in Australia, so I can't really judge how pricey they are and stuff. There we go. So there we go, guys. I'll leave it there. That's a fun little exercise. I enjoyed that. Give it a go, guys. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Cheers.